Yo everyone, Sir Shucklet here. Today we're here to watch a few clips from October 4th, 2024, where at 12:30 a.m. officers were in call of a 911 call about a man having a verbal disagreement with his significant other and waving around a rifle. But before we get to that, for today's sponsors. Never mind, no sponsors for today. It's just me. So we would really appreciate a like and subscribe. Now to the video.
Portland police, hey! He's got a gun. Portland police, put the fucking gun down. Fuck you! Nigger! Fuck you! I couldn't tell if it was a real rifle or if it's not, but we need to back out. Okay. Is there another...
So what you just saw there, two officers, let's get our terminology correct here. Two officers show up and knock on the door and announce who they are, and they see our suspect, one Nicholas G. Thorne, age 28, approached the front door with previously mentioned rifle, and they make the decision to fall back and form a perimeter around the apartment complex. And so they form a perimeter around the apartment complex where more officers arrive to include an enhanced crisis intervention team, and they try to talk him down for about 40 plus minutes, 45 minutes. After 40 minutes, this is what happens.
I say we will have what we have.
Where do you want me, huh?
Can you come down the stairs?
He also has, does she know he has a knife in his back pocket?
He said, yep. Can you come down the stairs so I can hear
Why are you talking shit? I'll blow a hole in your motherfucking head. I don't want to, but I will. My neighbor, he's right there. He was in the Corps. He was in the Marines. He'll
Nick, I
fuck
think
you
you're saying
up
a
too.
lot of really important things, and I want to hear them, but with the cars running and all of the traffic, I really can't hear you. And I
So
don't
why
think it's
don't you
fair for
grab
your
your
neighbors
fucking cojones?
to know all of your
Grab
business.
the fucking nipples, the cojones, and walk your ass up here if you got the balls. Huh? I would, if I had the fucking cojones, I'd walk right here and I'd say, bring it on, motherfucker. I'd say, bring it on.
Nick, you're saying a lot of
is
things.
there a
I really
balance
want to hear
among
what you're
you?
saying, and I don't want your neighbors
No,
to hear all of your
fuck
business.
you.
I just want to
You
give
know
you
what?
privacy.
You know what?
So as you just saw, that was Officer Andrew Young's body cam footage from his single shot that he fired at Nicholas. Officer Young has been with his department for 7 years, so he's not a rookie. He knows what he's doing. And the shot happened at 1:22 a.m., so just under an hour after the initial calls went out. And based off of the body cams you're about to see from the other 4 officers on scene, it appears that Nicholas waved his air rifle in the direction of the officers, and Officer Young had to take the shot, so he chose to make the shot, and he did a darn good job. But the reason I'm assuming that's what happened is because of this reaction and how, if you pay close attention, you'll notice that the officer ducked behind cover before the shot was fired.
I really
Let's
want
get
to
to
hear
that
what you're
now.
saying, and I don't want your neighbors to hear all of your business. I just want to give you privacy.
I really want to hear what you're saying, and I don't want your neighbors to hear all of your business. I just want to give you privacy.
I just want to hear what you're saying, and I don't want your neighbors to hear all of your business. I just want to give you privacy. I really want to hear what you're saying, and I don't want your neighbors to hear all of your business. I just want to give you privacy.
So after that perfect shot from Officer Young, they did move in and immediately started rendering aid to Nicholas. However, even with the assistance from the local paramedics, Nicholas was found deceased and unable to be revived. However, also right next to Nicholas was found this air rifle and this knife near his body. The rifle is a 22 caliber air rifle, and though you may say, hey, that's not a firearm, it's not lethal, you'd be wrong. There's been ballistics tests of them. It would have been one heck of a shot, but I've seen crazier shots. And as you saw from each and every one of those officers, minus Officer Young, everyone ducked behind cover right before the shot. That last clip, if you watch it real close, it was at least half a second prior to the shot, and he didn't announce he was shooting. So that's what's caused me to believe that Nicholas waved the rifle in their direction. But I won't know until the rest of the reports come out. As of right now, no officers were injured. Officer Young is on a well-earned vacation. They're calling it administrative leave during the investigation, but he's getting a vacation while they do their investigations. They're not saying he did anything wrong, but every time there's an officer shooting, they have to investigate. As previously stated, we would love for you to like and subscribe. If you have any comments or any suggestions or anything you wanted me to clear up about something, I would love to hear it. And until next time, you all have a wonderful rest of your day. Toodles.